dear ma'am, sir, and all my dear friends. I am Mamta. I would like to give the presentation topic on unemployment. Thank you, sir, for giving me this golden opportunity. Thank you, PCI, so much for. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Then, today I would like to explain what is the case of unemployment, what is the meaning of unemployment, or how can we solve this problems. Nowadays, as you know, that it has become a very big problem in our India, not in the whole world also, because India has a fifth number, so Nigeria is a first population, first unemployment country. So I would like to explain you firstly then what is the unemployment. The unemployment is a condition where the skilled and able person, they do not get the job and decent wages. And that is a case of unemployment. So many things we are facing nowadays. Well educated person, they are not able to search their suitable jobs. So I would like to explain what is the reason behind that. See, according to me, I think it is a biggest problem in our India, but it has a biggest reason of one of the large population. According to new search and in 2021, then population India has become the number one population country. Its population like 140.76 crores. It's shocking news. Then India has become number one. And as I would like to explain you the unemployment ratio is a 7.71%, and 33 million people are unemployed in our country. See, it's so very bad news for us also, because as you know that nowadays we are hurting lots of things there. So it is one problem is a large population, and second is I can say that seasonal occupation. Like what happened, we have some seasonal occupation. The person are getting the jobs for 3 months, 4 months. After that they have to move on. They don't have any other occupations. And second thing, next I would like to explain you the lack of education. When lack of education in our India, it has become an unemployment problem. What happened in education system? We need to some changes. There is no education plan to tell the students after 12th what will they do, because after 12th the student have to decide what they need to do. So you know that, so sometimes they are confused in whole school during the school time. They don't know about anything. So after 12th they are facing any problem. That is also one kind of reason also. Next is a technological advancement. As we know that technology has become a very important part in our life. So but this is also because of reason of unemployment. Second is slow economic growth. In India, what happened? Many things they are not growing the proper, so crops also need to do some produce the products. This is a things. Well, next I would like to explain you how can we remove these problems. Well, firstly, as I told you, the population is the biggest problem in our India. So I think governments need to run a program, family planning programs and other things. They need to tell the people then what is the benefits of a small family. If government tells, so people can understand easily, because it's a very big thing. And next, we should not think the creator of generation is only boy. That is one kind of very myth in our India also, we can say that. So this should not be done. This should not be done in India. Then it need to change. Next, I will explain in education system also. See, in education system, government need to add some curriculums, some subjects like students' skills, like whatever if they have interest, they can choose their thing. Because after, if they are doing the study, they know what is their skills, what will they do after 12th. If they during school, during class, during school life, if they learn, so after 12th they will not face any problem. They will decide, they will choose their occupation, they will do these things. And next is agriculture also. As we know that India is agriculture land, so we need to focus on agriculture. We need to focus on farmers. We need to do some improvement on farming. Thank you so much for listening to me. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, PCI. Really, thank you so much for everything. Thank you.